What's up guys, it's Tina from Hangry by Nature. Now you guys know just how much we love Japan, and it's the first place we're traveling to once travel restrictions are lifted. Now we've been doing our research in lockdown and we found 8 new and upcoming attractions that are going to be popping up in Japan, and we are so excited, especially the new anime and manga town. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay tuned with all of our latest videos. Now let's get right into the awesome Japan stuff.
There's going to be a new Gundam factory right in Yokohama where you can check out everything Gundam, shop for Gunpla, have a coffee and meal there. There's actually going to be an 18-meter tall Gundam statue with a 25-meter dock around it. So you might know of the one in Odaiba called the Unicorn Gundam that has moving panels and a light show that comes with it. Now the best thing about this new one in Yokohama is that it's going to be able to move. So what we've been told is it's actually going to walk a short distance. That's just amazing, I can't wait for that. So the Gundam factory and also the Gundam statue was meant to be opened in October this year, but sadly due to Rona, it is delayed indefinitely. So we'll just have to wait for future announcement to see when this will go live.
TeamLab, resonating life in the Acorn Forest. TeamLab are the kings of light effects and sensory play, which is downright ASMR. Now this whole concept sounds crazy mind-blowing. They've designed these egg-like things called ovoids, which they've scattered around a forest, and when they are pressed or moved by the wind, they will resonate a tone and change colors. And the cool thing is, this can have a ripple effect amongst all the other ones scattered around. The light shining through the trees is also affected by the lights of the ovoids, which causes a continuous chain reaction. You'll find this new TeamLab exhibit in Musashino Wood Park in Higashi Tokorozawa Park, Saitama. It's expected to open on the 1st of August in 2020, and it will be a permanent exhibition. Fingers crossed it does!
Super Mario World, Universal Studios Japan. Super Mario World was announced to everyone back in 2015 and it's going to be open very soon, just around the corner. There are heaps of pictures and videos being circulated on the internet. I'm really excited about this one. It's going to be awesome. So far from what we know about this is going to be an immersive and interactive world where you can get a Super Mario wristband and also using your phone app. You can smash blocks, compete against other guests, or even cooperate with them to beat other bad guys from the Mario series. I wonder how that's gonna work collecting coins. Hey guys, I found a coin block just up here. See it? Oh! Whoa! Oh! Are you sure we're supposed to hit it with our heads? Alright, I'll try one more time. Oh! Whoa! Oh. There's going to be a Super Mario Kart experience. So if you guys know from the old games, from Nintendo 64 or even the Switch now, they are an awesome game. So this one is going to be a really interesting concept. I can't wait till they show more about that one. And there's also a family-friendly Yoshi ride for everyone to enjoy. Super Mario World USJ is also delayed due to Rona, so you have to keep an eye on announcements to see what the latest updates are. Art Aquarium Museum. We have been to some awesome aquariums in Japan, such as Nifrul in Expo City, the Osaka Aquarium, and also Sumida Aquarium in the Tokyo Skytree. But be prepared to be taken away to another world with this one. Look at all these art pieces filled with fishes. It brings the artwork to life. The colors and the designs are so mind-blowing. Art Aquarium has actually been around in Japan for quite a long time. Their first exhibit was actually back in 2007 and they've continually created new exhibits yearly. But this will be the first permanent museum that they've created right in Tokyo. The Art Aquarium Museum is due to open in August this year.
The Haunted Driving! Seriously guys, Japanese horror movies are some of the scariest in the world. The Grudge, The Ring, One Missed Call, traumatizing. They get right into your head and you'll never sleep again. And let me tell you one thing, Japanese people absolutely love horror. An example of this is just how much they get into Halloween. And we were lucky enough to experience Halloween at USJ with real life zombies and monsters, which was kind of terrifying. But anyways, this is a new haunted drive-in attraction in Tokyo. Oh my God. I mean, just look at the pictures on their website. Terrifying. So you're supposed to sit in your car for 20 minutes and survive while these actors dressed up as scary horror creatures scare the living hell out of you. I think I would just curl up under the driver's seat and never come back out and cry for my mama. For a bit of an added effect, you can pay a little bit extra and get them to throw red paint onto your car and pose for a picture. Cheese, Chizu, getting murdered in my car. Oh guys, and check this out. On the website, it says that the blood cannot be completely wiped off. I mean, imagine leaving the place with blood splattered all over your car. And a cop pulls you over and you're just like, oh yeah, I just went through the horror. I just went through the zombie horror drive-through. No biggie, no biggie. Tokorozawa Sakura Town.
Andy,
Yeah?
get here
Yeah.
now. You won't believe this. They are opening an anime and manga dedicated shopping center near Tokyo.
No way.
Yes way.
As we scroll down their website, we can see they have the Kadokawa Culture Museum shaped like a geo-rock, an amazing looking library and a shop inside. There's also Japan Pavilion, which will hold esports, concerts and movie screenings. Oh my God guys, and there's also gonna be an anime hotel with huge screens installed inside the hotel rooms where you can watch your favorite anime. I don't think I would ever leave. And of course, there's gonna be a ton of shops and restaurants and hopefully lots of themed cafes. Oh my God, look at that sundae, yum! Of course, there's also gonna be a bookstore that sells anime and manga merchandise. Oh, and there's also a big modern shrine.
It looks amazing, don't you think, Andy?
Tokorozawa Sakura Town is due to open later this year.
Studio Ghibli fans, this one's for you. If you don't know, Studio Ghibli are the creators of Spirited Away, Howl's Moving Castle, My Neighbor Totoro, and many, many more. They are creating a theme park in Nagakute, east of Nagoya. This one is a while away though. It's expected to open in 2022 with 3 sections to start off with and then 2 the following year. Studio Ghibli has released some concept art which you can see here on the JR Rail Pass website, and it looks amazing. I'm picturing how awesome it would be just exploring and adventuring throughout all these different areas from the movies. Getting to Nagoya is probably easiest via the Shinkansen or the bullet train. The best way to use the Shinkansen is actually via the JR Rail Pass. You can check out our video on that up here.
Starbucks inside a greenhouse. If you've been to Singapore, this Starbucks has all the Gardens by the Bay feels. This is a one-of-a-kind Starbucks where you can enjoy your coffee and be surrounded by hanging balls of flowers and other amazing floral designs. And there's also 2 large fish tanks filled with coral fish from Okinawa. It's located in Hanabiyori, which is part of a very popular amusement park called Yomiuri Land. It's a 25-minute train ride east from Shinjuku Station.
I hope these 8 new attractions have blown you away because they've blown us away when we found out about them and we just wanted to share them with you. Leave a comment below, tell us which one you would want to see as soon as we're out of Rona. If you like this video as well, make sure you hit the like button right now and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you haven't. So guys, stay safe, take care, we'll see you in the next video. Peace!